Hello everybody. My cucumbers growing fast, so I decided to make some support trellis for them, and in this video I show you guys how I make it. First I get 8-inch 2x6 stud and resew it for 3 pieces 1.5 by 1.5 inch. Now I'm going to sharpen one end of the stake to make it easier to get into the soil. I use my planer upside down, but sometimes it could be dangerous, so be very careful if you want to copy this method. Then I insert stake into the ground and gonna use hammer to knock it down to the ground more. But even for my height I'm not able to do that, so I cut it to reachable height. And now I'm knocking down. Now it's time to put cross section, top rail. I put it over the 2 stakes and drill 2 pilot holes to avoid splitting, and now I just screw it to the bottom pieces. We drilled some holes in the stakes, maybe we use them to secure the fence. Ladybug appears on the scene, and now I'm going to secure plastic fence 3 feet height to the stakes.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.